Hello, salutations, and all the other hellos. This a little while ago, I what happened? Oh yeah, I guess you can say I had 5 minutes. So I spent that 5 minutes, and I made a lot in one pattern, as I'm calling it. I don't think I can call it I don't feel comfortable calling it an all-in-one pattern. So because it's not all the patterns I know, but it sure is a lot of them. So here I have along the edges I have flipped pieces, and I'll get into patterns involving those, or flipped patterns, later. And I also have pieces involving 3-colored patterns or even 6-colored patterns here. So it's really cool, and I didn't really feel comfortable um, just solving this off camera. So in this video, I'm going to be solving it. So here, while I've been discussing how to make these patterns, this video I'll be kind of showing you kind of what it's like to solve it, and maybe it'll even give you a better idea of what happens behind the scenes. Here we go. So to start with, yeah, I think as I was getting into, I'll get rid of these 3-colored pieces. And to start with, we use the this setup move. I think I'm doing it right. If you don't get the setup move right, the centers won't be oriented right for when you undo it. So anyways, here we go. This yellow piece really sticks out, so I'm gonna undo this real quick. There we go. Now I'm gonna get these 4 pieces along the edges there. So I'm gonna bring this over. There we go. And then we just have a little bit remaining. Alright, and then now that we got the 3-colored patterns done, I'm actually going to now tackle these 6-colored pieces. And although it won't solve them immediately, this step kind of does need to be taken. So there, we got rid of that. Here we go. Alright, and there we go. And now we're going to undo the setup move. Alright, next up, I'm going to be tackling these pieces, these inverted pieces, and it's not 4-way symmetrical, so I'm going to speed up the video a bit. Alright, here we go. Just a little bit left. I'll complete this. So here they're in alignment. Now, yeah, to undo these, you hit both of them with a, I guess you call it E2. You hit only one of the slots, E2 again, and then you undo that. Then we just have these two left. And there we go. I'm doing the setup move, and now we only have the flipped pieces left. So, bit of a spoiler alert, I guess. This is how you do the flipped patterns, which I'll get into soon. So anyways, yeah, so what you do is you flip both sides. I'm using a J-perms algorithm here. Yeah, but anything can really work, just as long as you flip these without affecting these two sides, I guess. Anyways, I'm doing that now. And then we have to undo the algorithm, or the move, in the right order too. See how I started with the left hand, and then I end with the left hand. Anyways, so that's done. Alright, one to go. And there we go. So, in case you're wondering, that's kind of how it looks behind the scenes when I'm undoing all the patterns I make for the videos. So I thought that was pretty cool, and it was really cool also making a ton in one pattern, or a lot in one pattern. So I might have to experiment with that later. Anyways, also for my next video, stick around for this. I think I showed this in my, another earlier video, but I'll be getting into this pattern a bit. It's really cool. So I was thinking with the equator patterns and doing the centers, you end up kind of just switching them. So I was thinking about it, and I was like, what if you made the pattern literally switched, you know? And it's really cool, I must admit. And then you can even go a little farther in inverting some of these pieces to get the colors from the other sides. So that was pretty cool. And if you want to see more about this, yeah, you can, the link's down below when that video is posted. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.